Hello everybody, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jared. So this is going to be supposedly another unboxing Saturday. However, I have decided that since I have received my SAS haul, so we're going to unbox it today. See how happy I am. Excuse the naich. Okay, dako na gidang naich. There, as you can see, I have my paper bag, the SAS paper bag, right there. So yeah, so we're going to slowly but surely get the items out of the box, and yes, you can actually what I'm doing there is actually I'm trying to check on the invoice, so that I could check to see if we have all the items that I have ordered. So yeah, I hope that you all would love this video, and of course hit the like button, so that we could do more of these types of videos. So yeah, so as you can see right there, as I've said, there are the candles. There are the candles. We have a sneak peek of the candles. So yeah, the video quality, I'm not sure why it blurs the rest of the background, but there, as you can see, slowly I am taking out the shower gels. I actually have tons of shower gels. There is gingham cream, the original gingham and the body cream. There are the men's body creams. I believe those are Island. That one would have to be 1 in a million. Yeah, I believe that is 1 in a million. So there are the rest of the items. This might take me a while though, but yeah, well, that is I think what I'm doing right there is I'm trying to see if there are any leaks, because there is actually one item that leaked. So later on we should be able to know which item is it. But there you go, those are mists. Okay, now what I'm trying to do right there is I'm trying to sort the mists from the shower gels and the body creams. So as I've said, excuse the tummy. Bago lang yun ming humanog kaon ana when the box arrived. We just finished eating when the box arrived, so I was pretty excited to see the shower gel, the aromatherapy shower gel right there. There's another body cream. As you see from the far end of the table, those are all shower gels. I'm not sure why, but I got overboard of the shower gels. I think those are more body creams wrapped in paper and saran wrap. are, I believe, pocket backs. I think from this haul I got more than 30 pocket backs. I'm sorry. Na-mix na ang power bank o pocket back. Power back. I believe those are the pair of shampoo and conditioner that I've ordered. Hibiscus Paradise, I can tell from the packaging. Dark Kiss body cream. Those are aromatherapy lotions. These vitamins I've ordered for my nephews, so unfortunately they are already in San Fernando, so perhaps I'd be able to give this to them, if not next month, come November. And that is also the Folgers coffee that I've ordered. So this particular box actually isn't just all Bath and Body Works, though most of them, I believe 95% of them are all Bath and Body Works items. But yeah, I've ordered some for the family. I'm trying to figure this one out. I forgot what's inside. I believe this is also an aromatherapy lotion. It was just wrapped in paper because you know the apothecary glasses are, of course, it's also wrapped in bubble wrap for it to be more secure. And that, I believe, are the wallflower refills. And yes, they are. And there's the wallflower, my flamingo wallflower. And those two are the aromatherapy roll-ons. Those are more mists and lotions. And before I continue, I would like to once again say thank you to Jen, for making this happen for me. You know, if without your patience and letting me choose the items that I wanted to purchase, this wouldn't have been possible. There, I think I figured out. Oh, no, those are the hand soaps. I don't think there were any leakage of the hand soaps, but yeah. More candles right there. And this is the Into the Night Glotion. So what we're trying to do right there is smell the candles. I believe I ordered a total of 10 3-wick candles for the SAS hole. So I'm not quite sure right there what we were talking about, but I can't stop smelling the 3-wick candle. And here's the entire thing. Well, actually not everything, because I'm going to pan there. So you can see there were still a lot in those plastic bags that we haven't opened yet. But yeah, the pocket bags, the candles right there, paper bags, aromatherapy, and the wallflower refills. Alright, so that should be all then. Thank you so much everybody for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for more. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.